still working. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, Philippine time. 7 o'clock here. It's snowing, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo, pero nag-i-snow sa labas. That's our view. So, maaga call tayo natin. 8 AM dapat nandun na tayo sa ating location because we are doing snowmobile this morning. Hey guys! Day 3. We are heading out. We are going to Anna Crown. We are going to wait for our service. So, nandito na kami sa ating service. This is a small parang minibus. Kasi we are doing snowmobile this morning. Ito na po yung ating last set of PBB housemates. Hi! Guys, nandito na tayo sa Wonderland Sapporo. Droid is there. Breakfast. So, nandito na tayo guys sa ating location for the snowmobile activity. And as you can see, everything's white. So, after ng ating quick CR break, punta na tayo sa registration area for us so we can register. Anong damit ko yung...
Unpack, take your basket up to the table. Okay. Then next, we are change. You need to rent a booth.
Okay, now we get our helmet. So, nakaupo na tayo guys. Pag-helmet na rin.
Any accidents? All your self-responsibility, okay? Safety drive and enjoy. Any question?
How long?
How long is the drive?
About 60 minutes bus ride, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Take a break.
Okay.
Yeah, go back.
Okay guys, so nalobot yung aking GoPro. But anyway, quick break lang kami dito. So U-turn tayo guys, kaya iniisa-isa din ko yan. Okay guys, so we're done. Bye! Woo! Tatapos kami guys. Balik na kami sa atin. That was a really fun activity. Okay guys, so we're done. Magbabalik kami. It's 10:30 in the morning.
No, that's
we are done. And just a short while, we'll be heading back sa ating hotel. So from here, 30 minutes. But what we are about to do next is to have lunch. Service is here, guys. Check nyo na lang, droids, kung ano yung nearest para na pwedeng babaan. Ayun sa inyo? Okay. Sige, sige. We're back in the city. Nakabook tayo, no? So, we're having lunch here at Swage. Medium to.
Mine is 1.
Yeah, Mars. Ang sarap.
Mahal pa rin. Kahit mahal mo yung amin, hindi ka hanggang.
Oh, sarap. Gusto tayong mag-lunch, guys. And now, we are heading to Moriyama Park. It's an hour away here. And magbabas tayo today. So guys, yung tayo na park. Pina-customize natin siya. May pangalan ko. Yeah, so, initially 2,000 pesos yung actually dito with 1.5 na 1.5 5 low.
For fast.
So from there, sumakay tayo ng bus number 79. Ang pamasahe is 250 pesos.
All the way to the park.
Yan, 17 minutes all the way dun sa park. Ayun, nakikita ko na actually yung pupuntahan natin. Pero may naglakad oh. Ayan eh, kita mo yung paa oh. Oo, nasa yung kabayo.
So, diretso naman. Hindi siya yung left and right.
Ganoon. Ganoon oh.
Yeah. Cash ka?
Wala eh. Guys, nagrenta tayo. 500 yen. We have 1 hour kasi 4 o'clock. Kailangan na isoli to. So at least maka dalawang slide tayo. Happy na ako.
Sige, go! Guys, di umabot.
Wala tayo eh, no? Papan tayo bukas.
So namomblema siya guys kasi nawawala yung phone niya. Hindi niya alam kung saan niya nalagay.
Sign in ka sa Google? Bali, add account. Salita ka to, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Nakita yung phone guys.
I knew it.
Naiiwan niya yung phone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tama yan.
So guys, tapos na tayo dito sa The Lure na Moriyama Park. And actually mainit dito sa loob. So lalabas na tayo. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Ako kami ng taxi guys. Go first. Arigato.
Edit rights.
Dinner. Hey guys, so lumabas tayo today. Piniram ko yung jacket ni Ruth. Quiet lang. Punta lang tayo ng Odori Park. Mag-shots lang tayo ng mga videos. Kasi sobrang dami pa natin kailangan i-shoot before we leave here in Sapporo. TV tower at the back. Tayo sa ating hotel. We're back! So that's our short trip here at Odori Park. Makita tayo.